homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ebony and Jasper around noon. Broadneck and Brunswick around 12:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include White Plains, Bowens Corner, and Lake Gaston. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @WakefieldUs. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Virginia, Brunswick, and Mecklenburg.